Adult learning is not simply a matter of delivering information to older students. It requires an understanding of how adults think, what motivates them, and how prior experience shapes every new learning event. In this lecture, we examine 4 foundational ideas that guide effective adult instruction: Knowles' Andragogy framework, Mezirow's Transformative learning, Kolb's Experiential learning, and the broader implications of Andragogy for educational practice. Knowles' Andragogy is the most widely cited framework in adult education. It proposes that adults are self-directed, bring a rich reservoir of experience, are ready to learn when content is relevant to real-life roles, and prefer problem-centered learning over content organized only by subject matter. For educators, this means instruction should connect directly to professional, civic, and personal needs. Adults learn best when they understand why a concept matters and when they can apply it immediately. Mezirow's transformative learning theory extends this idea by focusing on perspective change. Adults often enter learning with established assumptions or frames of reference. Through critical reflection, dialogue, and disorienting dilemmas, learners may reconsider these assumptions and adopt more inclusive, integrative ways of thinking. This is especially important in higher education, where learning should not only transfer knowledge but also deepen judgment, identity, and ethical reasoning. Kolb's experiential learning model explains how learning occurs through a cycle of experience, reflection, conceptualization, and experimentation. Adults do not merely absorb information, they interpret experience, form abstract ideas, and test them in practice. This cycle supports teaching strategies such as case studies, simulations, fieldwork, and reflective writing. In a well-designed course, learners move repeatedly through this cycle, strengthening both understanding and application. Together, these theories show that adult learning is active, contextual, and reflective. Effective instructors design learning environments that respect learners' prior knowledge, invite critical thinking, and create meaningful opportunities for application. In the context of education, this means preparing educators who can bridge theory and practice across diverse learning settings. The goal is not only to inform adults, but to transform how they learn, work, and lead.